but it's what it is, right? It's what it is. How is everyone? I feel so tired. Today is one of those days where, you know, you do a lot of stuff, but not, you know, like like I have done a few things, but at the end I feel I didn't do that much. So I don't know. Let's hope this 2 hours, maybe 2 hours, is going to be very productive. I don't have any news today to announce, so I guess we can go directly to the code. Yeah, maybe check what we did last time. We are so close to finish this project. Super close. Very, very close. Yeah, let me see. Oh, let me mark this as complete. By the way, yesterday when you asked for the crabbing time, remember with the, how you call it? Tenazas? I don't know how it is called, by the way, like, you know, this kind of thing. Remember that I told you this was part of a expansion? You know, it's a game. I asked for the game. I mean, I bought the game in Amazon, and I have it already. It was super fast. This is a game. You got crabs. Very, very nice game, by the way. It's for play with couples, so it's, you know, between 4 to 10 players. Yeah, it's 20 minutes to play, apparently. I didn't really remember. Yeah, I need to practice a game. So hopefully I will play this weekend, you know? So I have it. Hopefully I will play it this weekend with some friends. My dog is like crazy barking. So yeah, so last time we were doing some of the work of the curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae, I think it's like that. Do you remember the pronunciation? Let me see how is the design. Let me just open. I'm just opening stuff here already. Let's be very, very productive in this session. So this is the design, as you remember, maybe not. Yeah, this is the design. By the way, should I tweet that I'm online? Maybe. This is the design. To the right, you have. Oh, let me activate this thingy. Yes, so you can see my mouse. I like that song, by the way. Really like that song. So yeah, we're almost done. The last part that we did was this thing here. By the way, I feel we need more space because this looks very. Oh, and also I just noticed something. So this is a good thing to start fixing right away. So in mobile, this logo and website is should be centered. And here we did the desktop version using, you know, just CSS Grid. It was super easy. I mean, I'm really glad how easy it was. And also notice we have a little bit more of, you know, more gap. So let's fix that kind of stuff. Hola, Fernando. Hola. Hola. How is everything, man? So yeah, let's start by that. So here, oh, I thought that, you know, looks like it's 35. Yeah, looks, yeah, definitely 35. And then if I go here in mobile, of course, yeah, I see what is happening. I have a mistake in my CSS, like big mistake. I have like a lot. How is this working, by the way? How is this like working at all? I mean, what the? Yeah, this is like really bad. you know? You see that? It's like really bad how that was working. Come on. So this is not column, of course, and this is definitely like 35 probably. Oh, wait. Definitely column, sorry. Definitely column. Flex, direction, column. Yes, definitely yes. And then in mobile, let me take a look. Yeah, we have in mobile a little bit less of, you know, gap. Great, now it looks much better. But justify content should be center as well. Okay, but this is not working at all. Let me see. Maybe it's because this is block. Probably this is block. Remember, when something is blocked, it occupies the whole thing. So yeah, that's definitely what is happening. So one thing that we can do is maybe the logo. Why the link is like that, by the way? Maybe the logo, it has its center. No, it doesn't. Should we do a line test? No, test a line. I don't think that's going to work. No, definitely not. So yes, what is happening is like, for some reason, I guess this should be centered. Do I have this for the heading? I guess I have it, right? It's center, right? Definitely I have it. Okay, just let's create this is center thing. You know, it's a prop, so we need to introduce that is center, right? Hello, Neryat. How is everything? Glad to see you here. And then we use class names for this, class names, and then of course logo, I guess, and then you know, an object is centered, and then it's centered, right? I don't really remember what does it mean, but what we can do is just go here. Oh, look that. That's simple. Probably not, but let's try it. Let's try it, baby. Oh, I keep clicking the link. Definitely not, and I guess this is because the width is, you know, 100% mass width. Now something is odd here. Let me see. It's centered. Is centered. Okay, for now, hope everything goes well too. Yes. I mean, as I said, Tuesday, just the beginning of the week. It's not Friday, unfortunately, but the best energy. However, I don't have all my energy because I feel a little bit tired. I did a lot of stuff today. I was out and I also did exercise. By the way, I have a great day today because, you know, I haven't told you, or I have told you before that I have been doing some good habits, like trying to wake up early, try to do exercise, try to read, try to practice English, Swedish. And today, for a long time, is the first day that I was able to complete all my habits, you know, like I read, I practiced Swedish, I practiced English, what else, I did exercise, and what else do I have? Let me see. It was a really productive day. Oh, watch some videos in Swedish. It's part of my, you know, practice also English in Elsa from the pronunciation. Really nice. I mean, it was a really nice. The only thing that I need to do today to be like a really, really great day in terms of doing good habits, you know, following my habits, is just to go to bed early. However, we know how this ends with the streaming. we are going to be here so late. I like the idea, live in English. Yes, Leo, of course. That's kind of, you can practice with me. Of course, if you don't know English, you can speak Spanish. I will read in Spanish. I will answer you in English, or maybe Spanish is a surprise. Just try it. Para ellos que de pronto hablan español, estamos haciendo streaming en inglés, practicando un poquito de inglés. Es algo que hemos venido haciendo, pero no se sientan tímidos o tímidas. Pueden también escribir en español, escribir en inglés, o sea, no tiene que ser perfecto, no se preocupen. Por cierto, déjenme ver algo. Todo bien con la iluminación, pensé que tenía una iluminación diferente, sino que esta me gusta mucho. Esta iluminación me gusta bastante. Esta también es caliente, ¿cierto? Porque es como hell, literal se llama hell. Hell en mi, no sé, mi nombre personalizado de iluminación. Y esta es earth, for some reason, you know, that's the Spanglish. Like, you start speaking in English, then you switch to Spanish, and suddenly you want to say stuff in English. It's what it is. That's my life. That's my day. That's every minute of my. Oh man, sometimes it's like, you know, I'm speaking Spanish and I have a meeting in English and I wish, oh, can we continue in Spanish? Oh, sometimes it's in the other way. I have been talking English the whole day and then I have a meeting in Spanish and I like, can we continue in English? And of course not, because probably if the meeting is in Spanish, it's because that person only speaks Spanish. Probably, I don't know. Hey, Feral, what's up? Everything good? Everything good? Just, you know, fixing some stuff. Now I need this center because we missed that. We just fixed the gap. So that has a little bit of gap. So we fixed the gap in both mobile and desktop, like here. You know, the gap is fixed. This looks amazing. But, well, I just noticed something. Why my title is that this is the life of coding, especially when I don't know, it's I was going to say when you don't have a design, but I have a design, so you know, fun. Like, what is the space between these? I mean, as you can see, like the space is like 1 pixel, but that's not true, because usually test, as you can see, the test, they have a little bit more of space between the square, right? And that's the line height, okay? That's the line height. So yeah, it just like, it gives me a little bit of, how you call it, like talk, but not talk. Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD in English. And oh, something happened here. But for some reason, this one, it says 10 pixels. What the fuck? It's like, maybe this is a trap. This is just like a mistake of my designer. And also, for some reason, the title is not aligned. What the fuck? It's like a little bit to the right, but that's okay. Like, we won't care about that. Maybe the reason of that is because the oh shit, I just noticed something. Do you see the alignment? The diamonds, I call it diamonds. I don't know how do you call this in Spanish? Is rombo, but how you call this in English? So, oh my god, rombo, maybe it's the same. Rombo, no, but that's look. What? Rombo. Figura rombo. Wait. Figura rombo. Diamond. Rhombus. Rhombus figure. That's kind of, you know, British pronunciation. Okay. Rhombus. Let's call it rhombus. I mean, there is just one way to rhombus. Wait. Oh, yes. That's a rhombus. Definitely. I don't know, for a moment I felt that was going to show me some no desired, you know, results, and it was too late. ¿Cómo is el weather in Suecia these days? Oh my god. The weather is fine. It's a little bit cold, not that cold. It's raining, but just a little bit. Leaves are falling from the trees because it's autumn. It's autumn in Sweden. So it's okay. I mean, I definitely prefer the end of the spring and summer. The beginning of summer, not the end. Then it's too hot for me. It's too hot. And weather is crazy, man. Like, I mean, I grew up in a city where the weather was basically the same whole year. Like 6 months, the weather is basically the same, and 6 months later, it rains just a little bit more. Or sometimes it rains like, you know, like crazy. But I don't know. It's like, I mean, if people of Sweden can live here with this crazy weather, it's not the worst. Like, I guess there are worse places in terms of weather. Like Canada is colder, right? The worst thing about, you know, Sweden is the darkness in winter. That's kind of the worst. But it happens in so many places in the north of Europe, so I can't really complain. Yeah, so let's fix this other issue later. I don't really know how I'm going to fix it, but we will fix it for sure. Let's focus on this issue. So I need to center this, but this is a block. For some reason, this is a block. And I have an idea, but I don't know if that's going to work. Why this is still like 100%? I don't really understand why. Like, do I need to display inline blog? I mean, is the image by default? A margin 0 auto, you know? Dice Nariad, el clima aquí en República Dominicana, verano con flores, verano con bastante calor, verano con un poco de brisa, verano con un poco más de brisa. Ah, ¿en serio? Ah, claro, porque siempre está caliente. Ok, this solved my problem. República Dominicana. Ve, yo tengo, Nariad, no sé si te he dicho, yo tengo varios amigos acá. Pues cuando digo varios es que son dos, creo que son 2 o 3 de República Dominicana. Es República Dominicana, exacto, sí. Ellos trabajan en Klarna, de hecho. Ahí fue donde los conocí. Y de hecho, uno fue mi mentee que dio una excelente conferencia. Era sobre cómo grabar un podcast. De hecho, el primer diciembre, si no estoy mal, el primer diciembre acá en Suecia lo pasé con ellos. Vimos los juegos pirotécnicos. No recuerdo qué es el lugar, si es el castillo o algo, ¿cierto? Algo como un lugar ahí en el centro. Y de ahí nos fuimos para un bar que era medio latino, podían reggaetón y bueno, celebrar Año Nuevo. Sí. Buena gente, los amigos de República Dominicana. Ellos tienen un podcast que se llama La Liga del Código. No sé si todavía lo hacen. La Liga del Código Podcast. Vamos a ver. Mira, acá está. Vamos a ver. Pues aquí 2020. Ok, acepto las cookies. Cookies. Bueno, el último episodio fue en el 2021, pero hicieron bastantes, 88, mira. Y eso que no sé si será 88, sí, debe ser 88 en total. Muy chévere. De hecho, yo participé en uno de sus episodios. Hay un tema de, creo que seguridad en el frontend o algo así. Y por ahí estoy yo. No sé qué número de episodio será. Pero chévere. Ah, de pronto es este, ¿no? Vamos a ver si acá... ¿Este es qué episodio? 69, Oh, sí, mira. Qué conveniente. No se me va a olvidar. Episodio 69 de la Liga del Código para que lo pichen. Frontend, seguridad en el frontend. Está bueno, me gustó hacer el podcast con ellos. Estuvo chévere el aporte. Okay, tengo que preguntarles en qué andan. Okay, so now we have this is center property. Let's see. Now we need for the link kind of the same. So let's do it the same center. And this song is also really good. I mean, I definitely like it. So interesting. So there is no class name here. But it's a great opportunity to create a new one. So class names, you know this. You already know this. In this case, we don't really need that much class names. It's centered. Can I copy and paste this? Of course. Should I? Maybe. Why I still doing it? Well, maybe this is because I want to practice my, you know, typing skills. Maybe not. Maybe because I'm so lazy to copy and paste even. Maybe. We don't know. The only thing that we know is the heading with the center. Oh, wait. Maybe this would solve the whole issue. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah. I don't need this extra stuff. I was just doing unnecessary stuff. I was just like, you know, not reading the code at all. So heading already support is centered. So yeah, link can be centered as well. Now we have this fix according with the design. Now I have another question. Now that we have that fix, my question is, oh, look that. So here is definitely aligned. But here, for some reason, it's not aligned. So nope. It's because it's mobile. And for some reason, when it's a list, we have this, you know, gap there. Why? Why? Yeah, it makes sense. I guess it's for some balance, visual balance. Design is hard. Believe me, design is hard. It's not about put everything, you know, center, align. No, sometimes you need to do some changes. And I guess it makes sense to have this alignment in mobile, but maybe in desktop it's like, maybe it will look weird, right? So yeah, so I totally understand. So we will have to do that. That's kind of the, you know, tiny things that you don't want to do, but you have to do. The question is, how do I want to do this? Maybe the list itself is going to have a margin, probably. I guess this is the best way. There is no gap here, maybe. Oh yes, there is a way to have a gap, but yeah, definitely. So yeah, look that achievements. Probably copyright achievements. Yeah, just double checking on gap. I don't know, 15px maybe. But then this needs to be display flex, and then flex direction column. Why? Because it's in a column, you know. Yes, great. It was how much? 15 is okay, perfect. And then yes, that singer sounds like Maluma. Listen, but it's not Maluma, of course. Super funny. Look. Hi, Montserrat. How is everything? It's like Maluma, but free version. This is not free. No, not exactly free. Annie, hey, how is everything? How are you? Cesar, hey, my friend is Cachetón. Cachetón César Vargas, me suena. El de las largas, ¿cierto? El de las orejas largas. César Vargas. ¿Quién es Cachetón? Y los lentes, tengo lentes de contacto. De hecho, les estaba contando que hoy es, por cierto, recuerden, hoy es martes, pero siempre puede ser viernes en nuestras mentes, ¿no? Siempre puede ser viernes. Un martes con ganas de viernes. Todos aquí en streaming siempre hay ganas de viernes. Siempre hay ganas de viernes. Los lentes están por ahí. Yo les he mostrado mis lentes de sol, hablando de lentes. Posiblemente no. Lo que pasa es que, venga, yo les chicaneo lentes. Porque los lentes de sol tienen fórmula. Pero, ¿qué pasó? Yo hoy salí. Les contaba que hoy hice un montón de cosas. Y de hecho me siento cansado. Pero aquí con toda la actitud. Me siento cansado porque hice muchas cosas, pero a la vez es uno de esos días en donde haces mucho y luego sientes que no hiciste mucho. No sé si me hago explicar. Como que haces tantas cosas, te sientes cansado, sí, pero a la vez como que, bueno. Pero no, es que es raro, es una sensación raro porque si ven como yo me contradigo, como que lo siento, pero no fue así. O bueno, no, yo creo que uno tiene todo el derecho, ¿cierto? De sentir cosas cuando la realidad es otra. Y la realidad es que hice mucho en términos personales, laborales también, se podría decir. Igual todavía no se acaba el día, estamos haciendo streaming. Y por eso seguro me siento cansado. Bien, me siento cansado. Y cuando yo salgo a la calle, yo me pongo lentes de contacto. ¿Ves? Entonces yo tengo lentes de contacto en este momento. Me los podría quitar y ponerme mis gafas. Bien, estas son mis gafas. Estas son mis gafas normales, las que ustedes me conocen. Lo que pasa es que si ahí me las pongo no veo un carajo porque tengo los lentes de contacto puestos. Entonces, esas son mis gafas, pero yo les iba a mostrar mis gafas de sol, pero las nuevas, porque yo tengo unas gafas de sol que no tienen fórmula. Estas gafas de sol tampoco las puedo usar porque tengo los lentes de contacto, porque estas gafas tienen fórmula. Estas son mis gafas de sol con fórmula. Están bacanas, no, para el verano, pero ya no es verano, entonces ya no las puedo usar porque ya no hay sol. Ay, hombre. Veis, se ven bien oscuras acá. Están bacanas y rojas. Es muy charro porque cuando las elegí, era una promoción 2x1. Y cuando las elegí, la chica que me atendió me dijo, good choice. Porque obviamente, pues, a ver, estoy en Suecia y como yo no hablo sueco, pues me van a hablar en inglés. Entonces, that's why we speak English here as well. Because it's important to survive. Yeah, survive here. You need to speak something, right? However, yesterday, it was yesterday? Yeah, yesterday I did business with someone that didn't speak English at all, just Swedish. And well, it went well, I guess. It went well. Entonces lo gracioso es que la chica que me va atendiendo me dice que era buena elección. Y cuando veo sus gafas, era esta misma montura. Entonces fue como... O sea, igual ella no lo dijo sarcástico ni serio, sino como que, hey, buena elección. Y claro, ella tenía estas gafas, pero no eran de sol, eran las gafas de ella normal, pero con esta misma montura. Entonces yo como que, ok, ahora todo tiene sentido. Todo tiene sentido. Pregunta. Si una persona del sexo opuesto, considerando que, digamos, si tú eres heterosexual, elige la misma montura que tú, ¿eso quiere decir que son almas gemelas y que deberían casarse y estar enamorados para toda la vida? Pregunta seria. No. No, hombre, las suecas acá no tiran los perros ni por el berraco. Si ustedes supieran... Bueno, no. A ver, ¿por qué van a saber también? Pero no, aquí la movida es muy diferente. Esto no es Colombia, joder. No, esto no es Latinoamérica. Acá yo creo que el tema es muy diferente. El arte de la conquista es bien diferente acá. Y me parece que está bueno. Está bueno porque desafortunadamente creo que muchos actos de conquista son bastante machistas. Y acá está muy bueno. Acá está bueno para las mujeres. Es un lugar muy bueno para vivir. Porque hay mucho empoderamiento femenino. Las mujeres... realmente son bien independientes. Creo que hay muchos beneficios. El hecho de que el parental leave también aplique para los padres. Es decir, los padres también salen a parental leave. Entonces, claro, tú ves muchos padres solos con coches. Yo recuerdo que yo esto ya se los he contado. Y me acuerdo de nuevo porque un amigo me mandó un video al respecto. Y exactamente en ese video dicen lo mismo. Al principio fue súper raro ver tantos papás solitos con el coche del bebé llevando el coche. Y yo era como, ¿what? ¿Serán papás solteros o qué? No, es que en ese momento es el papá el que ya tiene sus 3, 5, 6 meses. Bueno, creo que son como 6 meses, 180 días. 180 días de parental leave. Y la esposa está trabajando, ¿ves? Entonces eso se reparte. Todavía no soy experto en esas reglas, pero bueno, ahí uno poco a poco aprende. Porque me levanté de la silla. No. Yo hago muchas cosas acá. Yo tengo los perros y yo me muevo. Ustedes piensan que yo soy un vago acá que estoy siempre sentado. No, para nada. Yo hago muchas pausas activas. Si les mostrara mi Fitbit. No, que les voy a mostrar mi Fitbit. Porque ustedes preguntan por qué yo tengo relojes. Porque uno es un reloj y otro es el Fitbit. ¿Ves? Hoy hice 10.240 pasos. ¿Cuántos pasos hicieron ustedes hoy? A ver, ¿cuántos hicieron más de 10.240? 10.240 es normal, a ver, no es nada para alardear. Muchas veces hago 16.000 cuando camino de verdad o hasta 30.000, no sé. Pero bueno, se está sincronizando, entonces, ¿qué les voy a mostrar mi Fitbit? Está demorado. Por supuesto que no. No son latinas. Y los ecos. Los suecos, es que no hay competencia. Aquí no hay, es que eso es el otro problema. Si tú estás en Suecia y no eres sueco, perdiste el año. ¿Se han visto los suecos? Los suecos son como los vikingos. O sea, busquemos. A ver, Swedish. Pero espere que lo buscan en secreto primero. Swedish guys. Espero no vaya a salir una cosa accurate, definitivamente. O sea, les digo, estos son los suecos. Entonces es como... Claro, como lo prefieran. ¿Les gusta cara de bebé? Aquí lo tiene cara de bebé. ¿Les gusta con barba? Ahí está. Este actor es sueco, que es un teso. ¿Cómo es que se llama él? Tiene un nombre súper raro. Swedish Guys on Instagram. Ok, eso está poniendo raro. Ah, este man también es sueco. No. Ah, mira, este es el de Vikingos, efectivamente. Loki, pero de la serie Vikingos. Entonces ahí está. De hecho, por ahí yo no sé por qué vi ese video. Creo que era un TikTok. Lo que pasa es que yo ya me fui de TikTok. Yo me retiré de ese. El TikTok es un antro del demonio. Entonces es este man que él hace como Tinder, ¿cierto? Como que viaja a países y hace Tinder y como que muestra como sus conquistas y no sé qué. Y el man dice que en el Tinder de Suecia no estaba recibiendo tantas respuestas como en otros Tinder. Y el man dijo, bueno, pero qué raro, ¿qué es lo que está pasando en Suecia? Vamos a ver los hombres suecos. Y dijo, con razón. Entonces, no hay competencia. Eso de que uno es bonito en el extranjero, eso es una mentira. Eso es un chiste de stand-up comedy. Uno no es bonito en ningún... Uno es bonito, feo, ya, lo que fue. Bueno, todos somos hermosos, por cierto. Todos somos hermosos. Pero a lo que voy es que eso es un mito. Que porque uno es latino, entonces uno es una cosa exótica. No, papá, eso no es así. Eso no es así. A ver, lo que pasa es que creo que el mito viene de cuando a lo mejor estás en tu país, no has salido de su país y vienen extranjeros que les parecen muy atractivas a las personas latinas. Eso puede pasar. Entonces, claro, tú tienes una percepción, a los extranjeros les gustan los latinos. No es así. Es que los extranjeros que les gusta ir a Latinoamérica, precisamente les gustan los latinoamericanos. Es el mismo mito de que los europeos no se bañan. No es que no se bañen. Es que los europeos que mochilean, pues por obvias razones no siempre pueden tomarse una ducha porque están mochileando. Tú como latino, si mochileas en Europa, te va a pasar lo mismo. Si eres nómada digital, no te vas a poder bañar todos los días, vas a oler feo, ¿ves? Entonces, siempre hay que cuestionarse las cosas. Ahorran agua, claro. Yo sí ahorro agua, of course. No, la maldita pandemia. Ni siquiera la pandemia, eso de trabajar desde casa uno ahorra bastante agua. Todo sea por, no sé, por ahorrar agua, por el cambio climático. También es un mito. Almideb, me encuentro muy bien, gracias por preguntar. ¿Tú cómo estás? Bueno, yo creo que that was too much, by the way. We speak English, by the way. But don't be shy. You can speak Spanish as well. Sometimes we do those breaks where we speak Spanish, but we call in English. That's the rule. Hi, Andres. How are you? Nice to have you here. So, okay, let's continue. So, I think this is too much for my gap achievements. I'm like, right now, yeah, this is much better. So I have a challenge, and I don't know how to solve it properly. I guess there is no a proper way to solve this, but basically, when it's desktop, this needs to be aligned with this text. What I know is that this size is definitely fixed, so I'm just going to hard code that. And for that, I need to use a selector because this is. This is Next.js, the framework, and we are using what? This is so weird. That explains everything. That's why I didn't have, like my... Oh, come on. Guillermo, you missed the JSX thing, but it's okay. Now I have the proper syntax. So anyway, because this is style JSX, this is scope. Right, this is scope classes, so it means that I can is not going to collide with other classes in other components. Like job here is going to be unique. This class name is going to be unique per component. Okay, so in order to access this, I think I think I need to do a trick. Oh, this is such a trick. Let me see. Heading. Let me see if this works. I have a theory. Let me see if it works. Achievement, global, heading, you know, color, tomato, you know, just to test it. Of course, it's not okay. Tomato, important. This is for testing it. Gigi, Joana, tú eres el más papacito de todos. Muchas gracias. Por acá la orden. Bienvenida. Gracias, gracias. Rafael Davish. Uy, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Important. This is very, very wrong written. Okay. This is not working. Why is that? As I said before, heading. Okay. I'm going to explain this in Spanish because this is very important. Como les decía, esto es Next.js. Y en Next.js, cuando usas style JSX, ¿ok? Se copia realmente así, por cierto, style JSX. Ese es el nombre de la librería que viene ya incorporada en Next.js. Bien. A mí normalmente me gusta trabajar con CSS Modules, pero para este proyecto decidí que usarlo nativo en Next. Que por cierto, una cosa que tenemos que hacer antes de cerrar stream, probablemente yo creo que es antes de terminar el proyecto. Bueno, no sé. Tenemos que subir a la última versión de Next, porque ahorita creo que la última versión de Next es la 12, probablemente Next.js, lo copié mal, pero no importa, Google me ayuda. Creo que la última versión es la 12, vamos para los docs. ¿Cómo sé cuál es la última versión? Sí, no. De verdad, me va a tocar ir aquí. Esta página está rota con el zoom. Lo que pasa es que yo tengo un zoom aquí agregado para que ustedes vean bien todo el tema. ¿Cuál es la última versión? Release. What is the release thing? Ah, sí, acá está. No lo veía. Uy, estoy ciego. 12.3.1 y estamos usando la 10, ¿bien? Y la 12 tiene cosas interesantes porque, por ejemplo, yo no tengo el lint, yo no tengo aquí un linter instalado y ya Next trae su propio linter, pues como un linter por defecto. Entonces tenemos que hacer ese cambio pronto. Ahora bien, ¿qué pasa? Estas clases son únicas. O sea, este heading de acá se va a convertir en una clase única. Es por eso que yo desde acá no puedo acceder a ese heading. La única forma es pasando una clase propia. ¿Ves? Es pasando una clase propia. Déjenme pensar. Es pasando una clase propia. No. Espera que algo no me suena en mi lógica. Strong Shadow. Ok, pero es que esto no es una clase, claro. Heading. No, pero mira que yo ya he hecho cosas. En cart. Entonces de pronto estoy mal. No, de pronto sí estoy equivocado. Achievement. Ah, ya sé que eres el problema. Olviden todo. No olviden todo lo que dije, pero más o menos la mitad. Sí lo puedo hacer con global, ¿ok? Con global. No. Achievements. Let me see. Achievements. Ah, maybe. How does it work? A bear. It's invert the header global heading. ¿Cómo es posible que esto funcione? There is something weird. Maybe I need to refresh. Almideb, una pregunta, Guillermo. Que no sea una molestia. ¿El cursor que utilizas es cursor tuyo o es un efecto del directo? No, para nada. Todas las preguntas son bienvenidas. Todas, pregunten lo que quieran. Menos cosas difíciles porque esas sí no se las voy a poder responder. Pero no, esto es de hecho una aplicación que se llama Cursor Pro. No sé si aparece acá. Aquí, miren, se llama así. Pero solo es para Mac. Bien, solo existe para Mac. Lo puedes personalizar, le puedes cambiar el color, si es un círculo, si es un cuadrado. Sin embargo, tú puedes aquí en Visual Studio Code, tú puedes poner Screencast Mode. A ver, aquí. ¿Ves? Y el Screencast Mode, ¿ves que ahora hay un círculo rojo? El Screencast Mode es como una pequeña ayuda y también las teclas. ¿Ves que las teclas salen acá? Pero yo ya saco las teclas. ¿Ve? No salieron las teclas aquí. Las teclas acá abajo. ¿Ven las teclas? Esto es otra librería que se llama, bueno, no librería, pero otra aplicación que se llama Keystroke Pro. Acá, esta señora, a ver si aparece acá. Esta es para las teclas. Me parece que es más linda. Uy, esto suena. Suena. No sé si lo escuchan. Posiblemente no, pero esto suena. Qué buen efecto. Designed and developed by Martin Lee Zhou. Ok. Ok. Bueno, hay algo que no me está funcionando. Aparentemente yo ya he usado. So, before, apparently, I have used this technique before. Apparently. But for some reason, it's not working here. So, I wonder why. And yeah, look that. Look that. Heading. May I have a typo? Maybe I have a typo. Let's see. Oh, I know. I'm an idiot. This is for desktop. Come on, Guillermo. Come on. Okay, so this is the way. But wait. CSS modules has a similar thing. And it works a little bit different, okay? A little bit different. You need to pass like a specific class or something. Just to have it into account, okay? But it's the same concept. Like with this is no you know, a native CSS pseudo selector. This is something specifically for style JSX, and also CSS modules has this kind of selector, but it's not a standard thing. Okay, it's not a standard thing. The rest of the things are pretty standard here. We try to use as much standard CSS as we can. Okay, great. This is what I wanted. So now I need to do a margin left. And this is ugly, very ugly, but I guess it's my only, nope. Okay, yes, but nope. I need to do something. I need to do the immediate child, okay? Yes, perfect. Now, this is a little bit ugly, but I think this is my best option, okay? So in desktop, the alignment is like this, and in mobile, the alignment is like this. That's the design. We are trying to have the same decisions as the designer. Because reasons. Because definitely it looked a little bit weird in the other way. Now I wonder, there is something from the design. Let me see. This URL is not that, you know, it's not that, yeah, I guess in my case, this shouldn't be in its own grid. So this is a grid. You can see here the grid. So I will say you know, this thing should live in the same grid, in the same cell, let's call it cell. And I think we can do that somehow. Let me see. Maybe, I don't know. Can we? Oh. Hopefully this is going to work. This is going to be my trick. Let me see. Maybe. Now I have a problem. Shit. Damn it. Mil gracias. Me quedo por aquí a seguir viéndote. Claro que sí, Almide. Con gusto. Have you used Raycast? It's like the Alfred app. Nope. I use Alfred, but I hear Raycast is really good. But it's not that for Windows as well, probably, right? I think it's also for Windows. Supercharged productivity. Download for Mac. Oh, it's only for Mac. It looks good. How much? But it's monthly. Oh, but it's what? 0? Why? What is the trick? It's free for personal use. I can try it, definitely. I'm really open to trying new stuff. Come on. Is this uninstalled? Kern? Okay. Right now I have a lot of workflows in Alfred, by the way. You can code in Alfred. But I have to be honest, it's not that smooth. They introduced something in the last update, but it didn't work as I expected. So very disappointed, by the way. Okay, let me see. So here, shit, yeah. Okay, so now we have an issue. But But this is good news. I mean, it's okay. We can change stuff, right? That's what it is. That's what it is. Hola Guille, estoy usando Linux. Ahora ando con Java e IntelliJ IDEA. Lo siento, más cómodo que Windows. ¿Recomiendas que me quede con partición primaria Linux? Tomás, la verdad es que yo prefiero Linux. A ver, a este punto de mi vida, la verdad, me da un poco igual el sistema operativo. Yo igual acá tengo una máquina en Windows, esa de allá, y la tengo lista para codear. Cuando se me dañó la pantalla de la Mac y la tuve que mandar a reparar, estuvimos haciendo streaming en esa máquina. Y la verdad es que hoy por hoy Windows se pueden hacer muchas cosas con todo el tema de Linux. Ay, siempre se me olvida el nombre. Windows for Linux Subsystem. ¿Listo? Que es el Linux dentro de Windows, ¿ves? Entonces la verdad Windows está súper cómodo para desarrollar hoy por hoy, pero Linux es de mis sistemas operativos favoritos. ¿Cuál es el problema que tengo con Linux? Es que tienes que configurar muchas cosas. Ahora bien, entre Linux y Mac para trabajar digamos de manera profesional es más como Mac. Yo creo que ya es un tema de preferencia y bueno, hay muchas aplicaciones que ya uso de Mac que son solo para Mac. Pero yo tuve una época que yo trabajaba en un Windows, en un Linux y en un Chrome OS. Entonces yo empecé a migrar mucho a la nube y empecé a usar muchas aplicaciones que eran agnósticas. O bueno, no agnósticas, que estaban en los tres sistemas operativos. O siempre buscaba alternativas que existieran en los tres sistemas operativos. Pero la realidad es que hay aplicaciones muy muy buenas que solo existen, por ejemplo, en Mac, desafortunadamente. Entonces, al final es un tema de preferencias. Si tú, o sea, la única razón, hay cosas que solo existen en Windows que si tú las puedes reemplazar, como, no sé, la suite de Adobe, por ejemplo, no está en Linux. Si a ti eso te da igual, no lo necesitas, no eres diseñador quizás, o trabajas con otras alternativas. De hecho, yo incluso Adobe que existe en Mac, yo tengo otras alternativas para trabajar en eso. Porque no, pues me parece que la suscripción, para yo que no soy diseñador, pagar una suscripción de Adobe no vale la pena. O sea, es bastante costoso sabiendo que no es mi trabajo principal. Entonces, yo recuerdo que cuando yo empecé a jugar mucho con Linux, también tenía particiones. Y la única razón por la que mantenía Windows era por mi familia. Porque mi familia en Linux iba a perder. Porque si bien es lo mismo, es prácticamente lo mismo, pues claro, no sé, en la universidad o alguien te envía algo en Microsoft Word y tiene un formato específico, entonces claro, no funciona exactamente igual. Se puede convertir usando LibreOffice y todo esto, pero hay cosas que no son exactamente igual o no funcionan exactamente igual. Era la única razón. Pero de hecho una de mis primeras laptops personales, yo la compré sin sistema operativo y la instalé en Linux inmediatamente. Y ahorita en ese tengo Windows, es más por el tema de que ahí puedo jugar. Ahí es donde juego el Halito, el Halo. Entonces, dale, o sea, si no tienes problemas si no tienes una necesidad de Windows, partición primaria Linux, y dejas Windows solo por si las moscas, solo por si un familiar o en algún momento de la vida tienes que hacer algo en Windows y pues ahí tienes tu partición con Windows. Eso sí, espero que esa versión de Linux... Bueno, no de Linux, esa versión de Windows sea original, espero. Bien, no me decepcionen. Espero que sea original. Windows no está tan caro. No está tan caro y está bueno. El Windows 11 está excelente. Hey, Juan José, how is everything? You are late. No, but I'm kidding. Okay, so I need to change something. Because now I feel like all my work is useless regarding the center theme, but let's see. So I have header here. Yeah, it's fine. Is fine. We can remove this and just let the, we are not going to remove that work because it's okay. And then what we are going to do here is introduce this header. This is going to be display flex. Of course, it's going to be flex direction column. If I write that okay. That's the first thing. In order to do good CSS, you need to write the stuff properly. Okay. And the gap is going to be 10px maybe. And I see. Yes, it's working. I was quite worried. Like, hey, does this really working or not? Okay, and now if I go to desktop, it's okay. No, wait. In desktop, it's like that. Or not like that. It's just like justify content. No, wait. Align items. No, justify. No, align items because it's column. Align items is center. Eso es lo tricky con Flex. Que dependiendo la dirección, dependiendo el Flex Direction, el align items va hacia esa dirección. Bien. Entonces, si no tuviese Flex Direction Column, sino Row, para centrar horizontal sería Justify Content. O sea, cambia el flujo. Es lo único tricky con Flex. No sé por qué lo hicieron así, pero bueno, creo que tiene todo un tema de escrituras. Es todo un tema. ¿Cómo es que se llaman estos nuevos valores? Logical Properties. Está relacionado con algo que se llama Logical Properties. ¿Ok? So, let's see. So now that this is center, I need exactly the opposite. Not the opposite, but like kind of the initial state in desktop. In desktop, I don't want align ID center. I want flex star, right? So if I go to desktop, oops, what I click. If I go to desktop, now is to the left. And that's how the design show it. This is the design to the right, Look, it's exactly the same. There are some difference between, maybe for some reason, I don't really remember. This is like a strong, the font weight is quite different. But for sure, I trust in the Guillermo of the past. Probably the Guillermo of the past say, it's okay. This is going to be, for some reason. Maybe the links. Are the links like... Why the links are like that, by the way? Do I have evidence? Like for... Oh, no, it's because this, maybe? Let me see. Now I don't trust. That's how it is in this string. At the beginning I trust and then I don't. Yeah, for some reason, like... Oh, I guess it's a heading in general, right? Heading in general... Yeah, heading in general is font weight, but it's okay. I don't want to change it. I mean, it doesn't hurt anyone. It looks good. And then in mobile is center, right? In mobile is center, and yeah, that's what we want. I just noticed also that it looks really bad with the, I guess from the data or presentation perspective, the data here, like the website, the URL, maybe it doesn't need to have the, the protocol. Like we can omit the protocol because it looks nicer, Yes. I can do something because now this is who I am. I just said, let's keep it. And then I realized, no, maybe it's not that nice to have the link, as with that font weight. So yeah, why not? I mean, we have the opportunity to change it. So I'm just going to say here, weight, and I'm going to say normal, probably. That's what are the weight values, like font weight. Oh, maybe the autocomplete will help me. So if I go here, weight or font weight. No, font weight. I guess font weight. And then I'm just going to. By the way, how is the weight? Command Shift C. No. Alt Shift C. No. Control Shift C. Control C. Oh, it's Alt Z. Okay, Alt Z. So I can, show you the whole thing. Shit. Give me a second. Weight. So weight is weight. Weight is equals weight. And then we will have to support weight for the heading. Weight. Easy. Qué locura ver ese código. Es otro nivel. We can Spain. Why? ¿Por qué? Porque es otro nivel. Está bien. And then we need this little thing. Oh. Okay, doesn't really matter. Y eso que este es un proyecto sencillo, por cierto. El proyecto duro es el de 0. Si le das comando 0 o yo lo doy por ti, ese es el proyecto duro que tenemos. 0, wait. Pero cualquier duda que tengas, por supuesto, siempre es bienvenida. So, wait. So we are going to introduce. If I learn how to write, wait, normal maybe. I don't really found wait normal. I'm not sure. I feel that's not you know, I have doubts. So let's just, you know, font wait CSS. Normal. Okay. Really. Let me see. Normal. Okay. It feels really weird. Okay, normal and then bold. Okay, so I'm going to have bold, and that's going to be the default value. So I'm just going to remove the font weight bold from here, and by default the weight is going to be bold if it doesn't exist. If it doesn't exist, it's going to be bold. Okay. Gracias, Wikispain, gracias. Como te digo, cualquier duda que tengas al respecto, you are welcome. You can ask. Okay, so for some reason that didn't work, and I guess the reason of that index is because we don't support that, probably. Yes, as you can see, the Google font that we load, it only has bold, and probably yeah, probably that's the reason. I'm 100% sure. So let me see. Just let me confirm that that's exactly what is happening. Yes. Okay. So what is happening? Usually fonts, you know, Google fonts have different sizes. Sorry, different weights. So in order to show a font in a specific way, you need to add also that weight. What I'm going to do is check, okay, it's just like, you know, like with colon or semicolon. So if I go here, I just need to enable this one. And then I guess that will do the trick. Yes, you see? Now we just, but this is kind of a, how you call it, like a disadvantage. Let me see. Disadvantage. Yes. Disadvantage. It's kind of a disadvantage because this is going to introduce more weight to the font side. Like now the font is going to be heavier than before, but just because we want to support, you know, this font weight, we are going to take it. Okay, now I see that the last thing that I want to do is just this tiny thing, probably a little bit more of, yeah, it was too. Okay, this is nice. Look, this is really nice. Why the comment logo is not working? Oh, maybe it never worked. What is it? Public logos Klarna. That's why I never load that one. Comment. Do I have comment here? Oh, I don't have it. Interesting. This is a data problem, but we can just fix it. Let me see. Cometsales.com. I work in this company. Yes. Open image in a new tab. Yes, it's an SVG. So because it's an SVG, I can download it. Yes. Public logos. Comment. Save it. And if we go here, I guess. Oh man, this is in Spanish. Okay, it's fine. There is a color here, right? Like FFF, maybe not, but there is a trick. Oh shit, field. now I'm on. Okay, change of plans. Let's go to Figma. Let's. Oh, wait. Let's just put the logo here. Great. Change of plans. I guess it's going to be easier. Let's close this. Let's open Figma. Let's just, change the color of this fill. It's going to be black. Great. Oh, and it's much better. Let's export it as SVG, of course. Let's see the preview. Great. Let's export group 8 and replace it for comment. Save it, replace it. Yeah, much better, because you know what, I wanted to do that because also oh, there is no, okay, it doesn't matter, because also, as you notice, like the code now is like compressed, so it's much better. The SVG exported by Figma is much better. Okay, I'm just going to let this here to the side. What? Bye. And yeah, maybe it's working, probably, maybe not. Let me see. Klarna. No, maybe the data is really wrong. Maybe the data, oh, of course, logo, okay, comment. Oh, look, amazing. Klarna, comment, of a comment I worked like 2.5 years or something like that, and this was like 2 years in reality. But this is like, eventually I will put like the proper data. 2 years, 6 months. I don't really remember. Maybe my LinkedIn. 2 years. Yeah, comment sales. I feel. I know this is like pixels. Subheader width. We need more. Much more. Okay, this is great. This is looking great. I really want to put, by the way, the other day I noticed something here and I want to fix it a little bit. This is like, I'm just like touching the, the roof like this. So I just want a little bit of the space because it feels really, yeah, like I have much more space here. So my proposal, what was my proposal? Well, I just realized I didn't have proposal. Maybe, Matt say, good question, 80%, it does make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. Oh shit, wait, what I want? Wrapper, image, okay, container. It's definitely the image, right? Maybe a margin top. It's going to hurt anyone. Margin top, like, yeah, that will do the trick, right? Yes, definitely. I wonder, is that going to affect everything? No, probably not. And it can be only in desktop, right? Okay, let's do that. So if we go to the header, probably hero. Okay, hero. And we go to the image, photo. I'm just going to put like margin top px. Okay, great. Let me see. Yeah, it looks good. What if I, what if I just bump this? Let's bump it. Ah, amazing work. Let's change the playlist because we heard that sound already. Let's put something. Yeah, let's just change to this. Okay, so what are the next steps and what time is it? We have good time. Okay, Spanish. Let's change to Spanish. Entonces, hasta ahora ya tenemos completado el Hero, la versión mobile, o sea, estamos asegurándonos que tenemos lo mobile de todo, Esta parte de skills está súper bien. Creo que sí está funcionando los otros skills. Sí, exactamente. Acá están. La parte de experiencia, perfecto. Nos falta esta sección de Knowledge Background y esta de Personal Achievements, que es exactamente la misma. La única diferencia es que, a diferencia de, valga la redundancia, Career Experience, que tiene como todo este contenido, esto tiene un contenido mucho más sencillo, que es como una lista de cosas, ¿bien? Sí, entonces acá tienes como expertise. ¿Cómo era? Expertise. Wait. Skills and frameworks. Esto es para esto. Ok, esto es diferente. Todo bien, ¿listo? No, todo bien. Eso ya es un tema de data. Bien, tenemos que meter la data correctamente. Aquí todo dice JavaScript, pero pues eso, pues, si se dan cuenta, aquí incluso el diseñador puso, creo que la información que es casi correcta, pero eso lo va a cambiar. Yo ya no sé si quiero hacer WordPress. 8 años de experiencia y contando, porque uno dice, así no haga WordPress, uno sigue contando la experiencia de WordPress. Suserkia, how is everything? Do you speak Spanish or English? You know, just a poll that with... that's a good poll. Pool or poll? Pool. I guess pool. Pool. Let's Spanish. Oh, okay, great. But I guess you are okay with me speaking English. But we were in a Spanish moment. Which languages do you speak? English, Spanish, both. I guess this is not a really good answer. Maybe like 1, 2, 3, more than 3. How many languages? How many languages do you speak? Okay. I just want to know. I'm curious. I want to know you. Both. Great. Amazing. There is a poll, una encuesta ahí. A ver cuántos lenguajes hablan. Yo 2. Aprendiendo el tercero. Con frustraciones del cuarto, que es japonés. Sé cositas, pero muy poquito. Pero mi prioridad es el sueco. Cuando aprenda sueco le doy duro al japonés y nos vamos para Japón. A ver si es verdad lo que piensan de Japón. ¿Qué pensar? ¿Cómo es la canción? ¿Qué pensarán de nosotros en Japón con? ¿Sí es así? But I'm trying to practice. Nice. That's great. That's the reason we are here speaking English. So everyone can practice. Myself include. So, where were we? Yes. So the only thing that we need is just like this kind of, we already have this component. It's like, I don't like the name of that component. That component is called object something. Icon object. Yo creo que ese nombre componente está muy feo. Lo voy a renombrar. Bien. Y le voy a poner item. Porque realmente al final eso es un item. O sea, dentro de nuestro diseño, esto se considera un item. Ok, icon object, porque no sé qué cosas. No. Demasiado complejo. En estos momentos es donde me gustaría abrir esto en IntelliJ. Bueno, no IntelliJ, en WebStorm, que es prácticamente lo mismo que IntelliJ. Y hacer el refactor, porque es que IntelliJ es muy bueno para hacer refactors y cosas así. Pero lo vamos a hacer. Vamos a hacer commit primero que todo. Y vamos como a finishing las details of job component. Ok. Vamos a hacer push directo a master como los pros. Y ahora sí vamos a hacer el cambio. Vamos a hacer refactor. Esto lo vamos a llamar item. Ok, entonces el item que ya lo tenemos acá. Si se dan cuenta, esto es un item. Este pedacito es un item. Este señor acá es un item. Bien. Para poder representar esta parte de acá es exactamente lo mismo. Solo que vamos a tener esta especie de extra, como footer. Le podemos llamar footer, de hecho. Ahorita él recibe como title, test. Y a lo mejor le podemos poner como, sí, como footer. Podemos llamar footer. Ok, entonces vamos a hacer un refactor. Vamos, rename. Ok, pero esto ok. Item. Ok, item. Update imports, great. Ahora este señor aquí, rename symbol. Item. Boom. Creo que cambia todas las partes. Perfecto. Pero no va a cambiar los imports. Posiblemente no. Y luego todo lo que dice icon object, vamos a hacer una búsqueda acá y lo vamos a reemplazar por item. Bien. Item. Y boom. Bueno, solo era acá. What? Reemplazar. Yes. Y eso ya fue. Y vamos a ver todo lo que decía icon object. ¿Ya no existe? ¿Está funcionando todo bueno? Oh, mira. That easy? Okay, great. Amazing. Okay, great. And now Iron is going to support another thing. It's going to support something called footer. Footer. So title, text. I'm not sure about text, but it's okay. Maybe paragraph? No. Maybe description. Why test? I want to fix this issue. But maybe it's something that I need to fix here. Probably. No. Maybe not. Because it's going to look aligned with the title, but it's not going to look aligned with the theme. Ah! But... Oh, wait! Probably that was the thing that I deleted the other day. Remember? When I have a title... If there is no title, right? If there is no title, I want to push the icon. Okay? Oh, but that's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. Media. Yeah, maybe we can do that. Let's do a class names here. Do you have the repo? Yes, the public is the repo is public. Sorry. Let me see. GitHub. Yeah, like everything that we do on, you know, on a stream is public. The only thing that I usually don't publish publicly, I guess that's correct, is the Figma file. That thing I haven't shared usually because, I mean, I don't want to do you to do the same like me. I mean, you can have inspiration of this design, of course. You can change it, the one. I'm okay with that. I mean, you can change it, great. But there are a few things that are not going to match your... I mean, you can use it definitely. Like, hello, I am Roberto. Probably you want to change two things. The color yellow, because that's kind of my personal brand. No, because you can't. If your personal brand is yellow, it's okay. It's just my recommendation. You want to change the color, like the primary color. Do we have such a thing as a primary color here? Maybe. Color primary, maybe. Black, scooter, golden yellow. Ah, okay. We need, yeah, okay, it's not, yeah. Maybe this token should be called primary color, and that will do the trick. In the future, I'm going to improve the whole tokens thing, the whole design tokens, because I am doing a research myself with the designer regarding how to name better the design tokens. So that's going to be an amazing job that I will share with you. So you want to change the primary color, the logo, of course, and the footer. If you haven't, like, you know, relocate, maybe you want to remove this part. It's just a component, that's fine. The same with the languages. If you have more, you can add more, definitely. Maybe you want to remove that and the footer, okay? Because the footer also is very, like, branded my brand. So, and the rest, you can use it for sure. I'm okay. I give you my permission to use this design if you want. This is a, by the way, this is not a personal website. This is like a curriculum vitae, okay? My personal website is going to be different. Currently, we have a generic one, a no-code version. I mean, it's not that nice, but I will have a design for my personal website. This is like my personal website. Only has a few information about me. Mostly, I use it to share my setup details with you when you ask me about it. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, we are good with time. So yes, I want to support here the footer. What happened? Oh yes, the class names. So media, and then I want an extra one. What is going to be the extra one? Let's call it is no title. They call it no title. No title. Is what it is. So if title is undefined, that's going to be my class. There is a better way to call this. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe center with test. center, center or align center, no, center with text. Maybe this is a bear is centered with text. This is descriptive enough. This is descriptive enough. Yeah, it describes the purposes. Okay. So margin top, I guess probably 5px. Okay. Yeah. That did the trick. It's centered. And it's centered here. Yeah, it's centered with text. Nice. Good name. Good solution. I mean, not the best solution, but it's better than nothing. Great. And the footer. Okay, the footer is going to be just after the content. So if we have the footer, we are going to put a heading with the size probably XX, right? With the footer content and the font weight, the weight is going to be normal. That's what it's going to be. Let's create the thingy. Okay, so profile, career. So I need a similar thing. I'm just going to duplicate this page because I basically need the same. Duplicate. Okay. And it's not going to be called career, it's going to be called, let me see, career. Let's call it knowledge. Knowledge background. Yeah, knowledge, and then personal achievements. This kind of achievements. Yeah, I will say. So let's call it knowledge. Duplicate. Knowledge. Okay, knowledge.js probably. And then of course I'm just going to rename this like knowledge. And here data, instead of careers, let's load knowledge, and then load knowledge. This is knowledge, and this is knowledge. What? Knowledge background. And this is knowledge as well, but this is like of item because you know. But wait. So the title is title. Let's call it title. Interesting. So knowledge background. So yeah, let's call it title because those are like different items, right? Those are going to be like different items. I guess doesn't really matter. Let's call it idle, subtitle, sub. I wonder if I should like. I mean, career and knowledge are kind of the same thing. Maybe. Wait. Right, but this is going to be different. Subtitle, heading. What is going to be the heading? There is no heading. There is no heading at all, right? There is no subtitle even. No, subtitle. Wait. Title, subtitle. Yes, heading. There is no heading. Okay, there is no heading. And the content is going to be item. Okay, and then you are going to have interesting. Yeah, because knowledge is a collection of different items. So in title, subtitle, and career, the whole thing. Should I no? This is going to, because item, remember item is going to receive the icon, but there's going to be like the rhombus. There is a typo, duration, probably. There was a typo, right? Career, duration. Oh, amazing. Duration. Right. And then I need to fix it here. Oh. What? But that was working. What are you talking about? That was working magically? What? What? Ah, the typo is here. Yeah, I am so blind. Thank you. Triple blind. Okay, item. So wait, item. It has the item. Give me a second. The title, the icon. The icon is going to be fixed, right? The icon is going to be, you know, like job. Like job. The icon is going to be diamond alt. Okay, diamond alt. That's exactly the icon. The title is not going to be the item title. It's going to be the item. How this works? Now I'm confused. Like careers. Aha. Okay. Oh, it's because it was the same thing. Okay, this is different. Knowledge is very different. Because knowledge, okay, oh, right. It's kind of the same with the skills. So with skills is quite different, right? Items, right. Okay, great. So item, no, career, wait. So knowledge, and let's close everything else because I get super confused with that. Okay, and items is going to be, maybe what I can do is items, okay? And then I can spread that, right? I can spread that. So the only thing that I need, and of course I need item here and item. The only thing that I need now is, of course, the data, because I don't have the data yet. So I'm just going to copy skills because I guess this is quite similar. And let me duplicate as well. This is going to be called knowledge.js probably. And here is going to be knowledge. And stack frameworks, wait. Yeah. Damn, I have like different things here. Yes, I have different things here. No, but that's okay because that's kind of what. So here, of course, I have these different items, the skills, frameworks. How did I? Hey, Susarkia, gracias por esa sub. I appreciate it. Y por cierto, nosotros tenemos un reto y si completamos 4. Porque nosotros hacemos streaming de lunes a jueves. Algunos viernes hacemos porque tenemos entrevistas. Esta semana no. De pronto la próxima continuamos la entrevista que nos faltó la mitad de la entrevista con Oscar Barajas sobre la web 3. Aprendiendo sobre la web 3. Esa sí es en español. Pero se vienen más entrevistas. Entonces, este viernes solo hay streaming si cumplimos el gold. Bien. It's not mandatory. For me, it's better because then I rest. You know, it's my free day. But thank you so much for that sub. So, I just need to check how I did it here because now I feel something weird happen. Oh, okay. Myself build this thing. Well, that's fair, or maybe no. Maybe this require a better refactor. To be honest, totally. To be honest, that require a better refactor. Right. So it's okay. This is going to have a different structure. So let's just go with it. So yeah, it's going to be like that. So knowledge. Yeah, probably. Yeah, maybe I did it different because, you know, the structure is also quite different and like title to title items. The only difference, those one doesn't have items. We should change this, by the way. Title, subtitle, title, right, items. Yeah, we'll figure out that. This is kind of a, you know, fix me. Put expertise, stack, what is the rest? Frameworks in one array. So we can iterate. So the day of tomorrow I can add something else, right? And probably the structure of the, the structure of the careers, I want to change this. Because it feels like, I know this company, I mean, this is kind of the real thing, right? Duration is duration. I don't like duration, like time. What is a better way to declare that? Let's go to my LinkedIn. No, I don't want to sign it. Interesting. People look for Sonia, Alex, Annabelisa, Alvin. Who is this guy? Lead software engineer, Oscar, Gonzi, Bryce. No, Bray, sorry, I was speaking English. Guaire, este sí no lo conozco. Seba, Don Rocksteady Limitado. Okay. Guillermo Samuel Rodríguez Herrera, asesor, comisionista, Querétaro. Isan Cabezuelo Sánchez, estudiante en FP María Rosas Reus. Activity. ¿Qué? Oh, esta es mi actividad. Oh my god. LinkedIn chismoso. Dice lo que me gusta, no me gusta. What the fuck? Yo no firmé esto. ¿Cómo se le ocurre? No dice. Ah, pero tendría que editar mi LinkedIn. Ok, vamos a entrar a mi LinkedIn de verdad. Pues a ver, este es mi LinkedIn de verdad, pero me refiero como a mi LinkedIn donde estoy logueado. Vamos a entrar. Y si en este momento ustedes ven todo borroso, es porque están cansados. Bien, es porque están cansados. A ver, View Profile. Vamos a ver. ¿Cómo se llama ese campo? Si yo quiero editar esto. Editemos uno. Dice. Solo dice Start Day y End Date. Claro, yo no quiero hacer esa matemática. No me interesa, la verdad. Oh, mentiras que sí me interesa. Sí me interesa porque si no me tocaría actualizar esto todo el tiempo. Damn it, LinkedIn. You were right. Damn it, LinkedIn. You were right. Ok, entonces eso también va a ser un trabajo para el Guillermo al futuro. Y vamos a copiar esto acá. Fix me. Change duration to start day and end date. And do the math. And do the math. Ok. Logo, about, functions, achievements. Yo creo que eso está bien. About the company. Perfecto. Y luego obviamente esto va a cambiar en careers. It's going to change eventually. Let's format this, knowledge. Okay, so knowledge is going to change. Just formatting this. Which should you use to do that? I mean, the fix me word. So, Zerkia. Your name is quite hard, by the way. So this is just like, this is kind of a standard thing, like, fix me, to do. And there is another one, task. I think it's task, probably, right? This is quite standard in the industry, like, you put comments with this kind of thing. But then, it is true that I have a plugin. I have a plugin where, what I can do, the plugin has two things. Probably I have two plugins. Let me see. No, not this. I had two plugins. Probably one or two. Let me see. If I search for to do. Yeah, I have two plugins. I have to do highlight. But I'm not using this one, to be honest. This one I thought is this one, to do highlight. But what is interesting about to do highlight is I can go and ask for to do highlight. And I can list all of them. And then it's going to show me all the fix me and to do's from the project. So in other projects, like for instance, let's go to file, new window. And let's open the other project that has a lot of more to do's. Let's open 0. That is a but a more complex project. We were doing testing here. So you go here and I say like to do highlight all of them. Probably is doing stuff, probably. Is I searching? Yeah, so I have a few of them, I have much more. Yeah, like these are all my, oh, just 9. It's fine. You can have more. So those are all my fix me and to-dos. And then the other plugin, this to-do tree that I'm not using at all. And I'm not using that one because the activity bar, maybe? Yeah, because it's here. And I don't really have the command. So this activity bar, oh, there is no, yeah, there is no shortcut for that. That's the reason I'm not using, because I usually hide this bar here. So that to-do tree show me the to-dos. It's really nice. I will keep it. I should use it more or assign a shortcut for show it. But basically, it showed me the fix me and the fix me and to-dos, showing me the structure of the file. So yeah, I guess it's quite handy. But I mean, it's my bad that I hide the activity bar. That's my bad, my mistake. Okay, so what we're doing. Okay, so now that I have knowledge, the data. Let's go to the Figma. Where is Figma? Yes, so here, basically I have education, courses, and seminars, right? So that's the title. Education, courses, and seminars. In this case, education, courses, and seminars. Damn it, seminars, right? The rest I don't want it. And I just noticed something. The title and the subtitle is going to be the same, so I can remove this because I remember I have this logic where if I don't have the subtitle, I will put the title. I think I have that logic. Do you want to check it? Let's just keep it as a surprise. And then the other thing that I need to do is go to the index, and after career I need to add the knowledge component, right? Okay, so we can see this reflected here. Let's take a look. Yeah, look it. Education, courses, and seminars. So exactly, so this is the title and this is the subtitle in this code. So it's working as it should. Perfect. And then for the item here, this is going to be quite different. The subtitle doesn't really exist. Wait, no, I have just items then, and items, and this is very, very different, by the way. Very different. Let's just delete these two things here, and let's delete these two things. Okay, so the items is going to be an object that is going to have a couple of things. And again, I need the Figma. Where is Figma? So I just need a reference. That's what I need, to be honest. Yeah, I don't have any other reference, right? Nope. By the way, oh yes, that changed. Okay, good. Careers, I just want to check how I did date. Oh, okay, date is the subtitle, the title, sorry. Okay, so let's do this example here. So we have here a title, Sensa, okay, and then text is going to be this one here. I just need the first part, and then footer, and this is real. I have this is my major, because as you can notice, I never graduate from the university as a system engineer. But I graduated as a technical assistant in digital graphic design, right? Why? I did it like late in my career because I know a designer. I just want to. It was free. It was fun. I took it. And probably I will do. What? Damn it! I just remember something. Give me a second. I just remember something. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah. Nay. Okay. Okay. It's too late. Okay. It's fine. Ignore that. You didn't see anything. Anyway, continue. So, footer. Okay, that's good. And then we have this other item. That is the university. Okay. Let's just copy this. I just need two items, and that will do the trick. Zucerkia, you're welcome. And I usually put this because I want to be like pretty clear. Like, hey, I studied system engineering, but I never finished. I did just 8 semesters, so don't expect a title. Okay, how does it look? Let me see. Okay, it doesn't look good. Something is happening. Don't panic. Let me check. So here we have knowledge. Then we have the title. When we have the items. An item, it should have title, text, and footer. And we have the items, and it has title, text, and footer. But for some reason, that's not working. Why is not? Oh, I know why it's not working. I know why it's not working, because this is incorrect. This should be a map, you know? It should be map and item. Oof, too much item. Sub item. Oh, that doesn't look good, but it's something. And then sub item. Right? Now we are talking. Great. Oh, well, we are kind of talking. We need to fix the, you know, the, yeah, we need to fix that. That's a good question. Oh my God. But that's okay. How did I? Oh, probably I need to. Okay, no, I will fix it. I promise. Oh, no. I need to fix it in the item. Bruno Cantero of Death. It was not necessary to request the visa. I mean, I finished a career or have degree in development. It was not necessary. Oh, esa es una buena pregunta. Una buena anécdota, por cierto. ¿Qué horas son? Ya casi terminamos. Ah, tenemos tiempo. Siento que es todo temprano. Gutiwa, what we're doing today, that's a great question. And you know what? For that, I have a command for you that is called today command. Me pregunta que si no era necesario tener un título para requerir una visa. Y la verdad es que no. Cuando yo hablé con Guillermo Rauch hace mucho tiempo en una JSConf, lo cogí en una fila de almuerzo. Estaba haciendo fila para comprar su almuerzo. Y Guillermo Rauch me contó pues también su experiencia con el tema de su carrera profesional. Él no terminó tampoco la universidad. Y él me decía que el único problema era para requerir la visa. Entonces yo también tenía ese miedo. Pero resulta que la realidad es que a ti te niegan la visa es porque no encuentran motivos el por no querer quedarte en Estados Unidos. Estamos hablando de Estados Unidos, listo. Porque como colombiano yo no necesito una visa para Europa. Entonces, no, ahí no pasa nada. Entonces siempre tienes que demostrar por qué volverías a tu país de origen, ¿cierto? En mi caso, pues yo estaba estudiando. Entonces el solo hecho de ser estudiante, que vivía con mi familia. No recuerdo qué más cosas mostré. Ya yo trabajaba también. Y creo que eso fue suficiente. Y eso es lo que generalmente he escuchado. Que si tú no tienes una familia o deudas o un carro o una casa quizás, si ellos ven, hey, esta persona no tienen razones para volverse a su país de origen, pues le negamos la visa. Al menos pues de que, no sé, hayan otros motivos. Entonces no fue problema para pedir la visa. De hecho fue aprobada por 10 años. La visa americana, como en 2 años o algo así bueno, no recuerdo, en un par de años la tengo que renovar porque eso fue ya hace mucho tiempo. Eso fue como en el 2013, de hecho me queda como un año, por cierto. 2013 más o menos. Sí, creo que era por el 2013. Y ahora bien, para el tema de relocation, hay muchos, no todos, pero muchos países en Europa no les importa que no tengas título, solo tienes que tener experiencia demostrada, ¿ok? Okay, but yeah, Gutiwa, that's what we are doing today, by the way. But I of course I will show you, because I was answering this question regarding the visa, if I needed a degree in order to acquire the visa for the States, and the answer was no. Fortunately, I had my visa approved for 10 years. So I am finishing this, development. This is like my curriculum vitae, but it's like HTML version. So this is the original design, the original Gangsta design. We already have the mobile. We are mostly working now, like finishing some remaining modules. Like these two modules are basically the same. So we just need to finish this one, and this basically done. So what we are missing? Finish this detail here of this. I'm just going to do that now. And the footer changed. So today we are going to finish that two things. And the remaining thing, there are a few remaining things, but the most important remaining thing is the data. But I'm going to do that offline. And the next streaming, it means tomorrow, I guess. Yes, tomorrow. We probably will release this as it is. So tomorrow we will release this. And for that we need to upgrade Next, because we are using Next 10. So we need to do Next 12, upgrade to Next 12.3.1. Dot 3 is point or point? Point or dot? I guess it's the same, right? And then we need to do a last thing, but that's going to take a couple of streams, and it's basically do the print version. So we need to use a media query that is called print, and yeah, do the print version. By the way, I have the logos here. I'm an idiot. And for some reason, okay, I can copy them later. Brownie, my dog is barking. My dogs are barking. Maybe are the thieves? Just give me a second. Just 1 second. We are back, baby. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing. So let's just fix that little thing here. So here, yeah, my problem is here in the item. So I never said the purpose of the footer. Item, but wait, this is inside item, right? Yes, this is inside item. And for some reason, item, display flex, align items. Oh, interesting. So this never really flex direction. There was never flex direction column for some reason, you know. Now it's working, and we have a gap. For some reason, we have a gap paragraph. Oh, does the paragraph have some kind of margin? Maybe. Oh yes, but we have the is marginless. So I guess it's time to use our trick. Oh, but it's marginless already. So what is happening? Come on. Let me see. Inspect. What? Oh, it's the content div. Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe. Yeah, maybe this should be inside the content. My bad. Sorry. And then I don't need this, probably. Okay, great. And then maybe the content, okay, needs a gap. Oh, okay, 10 px, but then this needs to be display flex. You know though how is this thing, and then flex direction, direction column, because I know what is 10 was too much. 5, maybe 5. What does the design says? What does the fox say? Kiki. I don't know the sound. Okay, 5 looks kind of okay. Maybe 4, and yeah, you know, it's 4, no 5. I guess that will do the trick. Heading. Why I feel there is some kind of content item. Oh, because the item itself has a gap. Oh, that's plain. But I think it's okay. It's okay. Maybe 2. Maybe 2. Yeah, maybe 2. It's fine. And there is one thing. Is the heading having an extra thing? Color. Okay. Which colors do I have? Primary, secondary. This is secondary, definitely. This is color. Secondary, right? Yes, amazing. I love it. Now this is done, basically. This is done. And of course, the courses and the careers are going to be the same. Now we need to solve desktop. By the way, I want to see how this looks with multiple items. So I'm just going to, you know, copy and paste like a lot of them. A lot of them. I want to see. Okay. Okay. That's a good question. That's not good. This should be different, right? There should be like a column. Even in how is? Oh, okay, no. Huh. This is interesting. Well, this is not mobile, but how does it look in a mobile like iPhone? The 12 Pro? I guess it looks good. Oh, I need to fix it eventually, but not today. That's another thing, like eventually we need to fix the remaining bugs. Oh, this looks so nice. Yeah, this looks fine in mobile, okay? Because in mobile, it has kind of a proper width. Now it looks weird. Because we are in a not really mobile, so I'm not going to like do anything at all. Because yeah, but when it's in desktop, it's quite different. In desktop, it's like 2 columns, right? And we are going to do that using CSS Grid. So the same as career. Remember career? So in career, well, kind of in job, we just have this CSS Grid. So we are going to do a similar thing here. But in this case, we need, okay, first we need the style JSX tag to put our, you know, CSS. And then I'm just going to write this, and then I'm just going to put content. I'm going to format this, probably. What is not formatting? Something is wrong. And just let me, you know, just let me do this. Okay, great, perfect. And I'm just going to put this whole thing in a div with the class name called content. Oh, that's really social. Hello. Gaproti is fully supported with Flex. Yes, so Serkia is right now is fully supported. So if we go to can I use Gap, probably, yeah, maybe that's going to set property Gap for Flexbox. Yes, for Flexbox currently. Let me just like remove this a little bit. Yeah, like in the current browsers, yes. Of course, for E11, no, but I don't support E11. Like, I mean, E11 is deprecated now, right? It's like 92% global, so we're okay to use it. Yeah, so this whole thing is going to be in this container that I'm just calling. I'm calling content. Okay, something is wrong with this. Wait, give me a second. I guess, yeah, perfect. And that content is going to be display grid. The template columns is going to be 2 columns. And the gap, I don't really care about the gap right now. I mean, 20 maybe. I don't know. I feel I don't need it. Okay. It means that if I just go desktop, now we have 2 columns. Amazing job, Guillermo. You are amazing. There is one thing that I just noticed. For the company, we have some space here. No, we are missing some kind of space, right? Damn. How do I want to solve that? Is the content? I guess it's going to be the content. So for this content, what is the content? Yes, the content. This is another content, but remember, those classes are going to be different because a style JSX, it makes sure the class don't collide. So the content here is different from the content here, completely different classes. He will just make sure they are unique. So that's very nice because we don't need to think a lot about naming. You know, we don't need to apply. What is this methodology? I totally forgot about methodologies. Let me check my blog. Yeah, there is like this BEM. Okay, we don't need to use that here. It's not necessary. And to be honest, like BEM is just a workaround for this problem. So here I'm just going to do a padding. I know it doesn't feel nice, but sometimes you have to do these kind of things. 20 maybe, because looks like, yeah, 20. 30? Maybe 30 is decent. No, 20, definitely 20. 25 looks better. Okay, so now it doesn't feel like, yeah, of course I don't have the, it's going to be the same. It's exactly the same structure, so I don't really care too much about how it's going to look, you know, like that. And then here is perfect. Yeah, it's similar here. Oh, that was affected by that as well. Let me see. Yeah, but let me inspect here. Yeah, because the problem, if I increment the gap. Wait, but this looks good. Ah, but maybe it's this extra space here. Just trying to see if there is a better way to, you know, do this. Something that is less hard-coded. I mean, you can like, I mean, the thing with gap is like, is uniform between items. Yeah. Yeah, but maybe I'm also like kind of, you know, if we go to here. Yeah, maybe I'm also like 35. And what is the gap here? It doesn't really say. This is the carousel, right? Gap 20. But what's the number? 35. Maybe I just needed to change the gap and that's it. Maybe. I mean, that also does the trick, right? Oh, I need to change 100%. Yeah, I guess the gap also works and looks nice. It's not like weird. Oh, also I just noticed something. Experience. Okay, this title here is just like very close, and that shouldn't be like that, by the way. Why? What a problem. Carousel. Okay, but the carousel as the header. So maybe what we can do is the carousel can have a margin top. I know. I just remove margins to put more margins in other places. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, let's do that. I feel fine putting that margin here, so this is not like that close. Great, that's great. So the last thing for today you know. Great. So as I said, the other section is just this section, but with different data. So we are not going to care about that today because that just copy and paste, and that doesn't need to be here on the stream. Like personalized shipments, exactly the same, but you know, different data, mentoring, speaking meetups. And now we need to fix the footer. That's the last thing for today. We are going to do that. So we have this nice footer, and look that. We need to go from here, you know, from here to here. And the good news is that this is basically done. I mean, probably. Let's go to footer. But first, let's you know, commit changes. Like add knowledge section. Boom. And push to master like the pros. Well, main, no master, sorry, main. Okay. So footer. Let me see. Close others. Footer. Oh my god. Footer. My friend, footer. So I'm just going to copy and paste, always from the heading. It's the one that I remember. Yeah, I haven't I don't recall the media query value, so I always have to go here and copy and paste this. So because this is mobile first, that's why we first did mobile, and then if we need to do changes for desktop, we do those changes inside the media query. So let me think, what is happening here? So heading saying hello. I guess this can be like uppercase, probably. It will be a pleasure to meet you. And maybe more excitement, like it will be a pleasure to meet you. Great. I also want to, you know, like Figma. I also want to just check the design here. Yeah, that looks correct. For some reason, the email. I need to change this for links. Like this need to be like proper links, but you know. Do I have a link? I have a link component, right? But link, how does it work? Let me see. And probably I want to do something like this. Add, you know, and this is like, no, this is going to be like me, guillermorodas.com. Guillermo Rodas. Okay. How does it work? Ref, maybe mail to no. Oh yes, me at guillermorodas.com. I need to import the link, probably. Import link. Maybe it's an add-on. Probably it's an add-on. Yes, it's an add-on. Great. How it looks? Oh, bad. It looks bad. The mail went bad. It looks bad because color secondary. Can I do something like maybe color by default secondary, and then like just pass color here, probably. And then do I have white as a color? Primary black is inverted. Okay, maybe that was a better deal. Is fine. Let's just support also that is inverted. You know, it's inverted. Is inverted. You might be asking why it's inverted, because it's for what? It's for things in dark backgrounds. It's inverted, basically. You know. Yeah, great. And this is a link now. I feel something is off with the alignment. Something is quite off with the alignment. Maybe Yeah, I was doing something here. What else do I have with the link? No, I don't have anything. Okay, yeah, something is with the alignment when I put the when I change it to a simple heading. In fact, why this is a heading? I mean, should this be a heading? No, probably not. I mean, this can be an item, and that should be okay. Yes, yeah, right. Is this working? Great, this is working. Except the alignment is still wrong. Okay, so we have the icon, we have this. What? It has some kind of padding. Why? Test decoration none. Okay, computer. Wait, there is something off here. There is some margin. There is something really off. Item, flex, margin. No, but okay, icon links. Okay, so we need to fix a few things here. So icon links, margin tone. Okay, that's maybe correct. But then the item has margin temp. No, the gap is going to be temp.px. That's the proper thing to do, right? Great. And then for some reason, why is that? I have some kind of margin thing, but I can't really see. Oh, okay, I know what it is. I need to fix it. So the heading inside the link, it should be marginless. It's marginless. Okay, yes, great, amazing. Hopefully I didn't screw anything up. Yeah, probably it doesn't really matter, right? Yeah, it's okay. Great, now we are talking about perfect alignment. So footer, so yeah, we basically need to change a lot of headings per links, like this one here, which is going to be like my website. Oh, of course, just my website. HTTPS, you know, jamorodas.com. Then we have the blog. Maybe I should change just this, you know, the blog undefined.sh, and then this is exactly the same URL, undefined sh. Great. The cell phone, yeah, I don't know why I have the cell phone here. I should remove it. Probably we should remove the cell phone. It was a nice thing, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Let's. I mean, HTTPS is tail, right? Tail, and then 46. 076. Let's just keep it as like this, just to reference that maybe I don't know if I want to have my cell phone here, maybe not. How is the format, by the way? Oh yeah, it's like this. Maybe how to have a WhatsApp or something, maybe. Or pay me $10 and I will give you my full cell phone, maybe. That's what it's going to be. And then we have the social media. Yeah, and that should be links as well, but that's for another time. Now the question is, so right now the position, oh, I did a position like that. Okay, so that means that I might change this. So maybe it's not that hard. Maybe if I go to here and I write like footer and I change the position, so the position is going to be left, you know, like left center, maybe bottom left. I don't know how it's going to be. Yes, I mean, yes, kind of. I mean, it's similar, right? But let me see. Yeah, now it's going to be fine, and then I'm going to be like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, what about the size of this? Why this is like having that high? Like, yes. Oh, because social networks has this trick here. Oh, probably that was me. Okay. Yeah, that was me. Just making sure. That was definitely me. So margin border is going to be 20px maybe. Now, boom. Okay, this looks good. The only thing is that now, okay, background position. I completely forgot what are like the points. Like, I guess it's X axis and Y axis, probably background position. Bottom right. Okay, give me syntax. What is going to be the syntax? Len values. What is going to be? I mean, top, bottom, left, right, top, bottom, left, right. So I guess it's quite similar, right? Bottom, position, a position. Okay. One had two ones, right? A position. Yes. And what is two ones? I never know. This is the specification. What is two ones? Top center. Let's just like change values until we figure out. So if I say top here, maybe. Yeah, so this is okay. So calc 100%. But this is left. Damn it. Okay, wait. How was this? Center. Let me see. This value. Yeah. But what if I, instead of say that, I said left? Yeah, that's going to work. Oh, look. It wasn't that hard. Well, there is something in desktop. This is going to be to the right, completely to the right. So the social networks, and I guess that's the whole block, right? That's the whole block. Well, no, it's the whole thing. Footer. Okay, maybe footer. It wants to be like left or margin left. Margin left. 100% maybe. Something like that. Oh, that's not good. Like left. Oh, margin left auto maybe to complete, you know? But wait, I can't do that. It's like footer, it's like the content. Okay, right. So maybe, okay. Can I create like a pseudo element? Like if I create a pseudo element, let me try that like before. And then can I say like content is going to be like this, and then left is going to be like, or yeah, margin left auto, maybe it does work. Maybe I need a width, right? Like px nay high, like, you know, 10px something. Okay, something is happening. Border 1px solid tomato. Oh, okay. Okay, so maybe what I need, why is there? Oh, because it's the footer, not this thing. Man. But I have to do, I need to wrap that. I need to wrap that in a thing. So, you know, So I need to do 2 changes. So maybe I'm just going to call that footer, and I'm going to call this like footer container, you know, like class name, and the footer container, or container, just container. The container is going to have the footer, but, you know, it's only going to have, it's going to have the styles of the background container. That's the only responsibility, right? So it's going to have this, you know, and yeah, and here I'm just going to change this container, right? But I need to spell it correctly, container. Yeah, so now we are safe. Yes, this is working perfect, as it should be working. I just noticed that maybe margin 215 is too much. Yeah, that's better. P20, great. And now if I go like this, now the footer is going to be margin left auto, but okay, it's not working. Great. Inspect the footer. Okay, so what happened with the footer? Display flex. Maybe display inline flex is what we need. Maybe display inline flex. And the padding is also part of this container. Yeah, in fact, padding 20px, like 2020, maybe 20. So in that way, we can remove this, you know, margin button for here. Oh, maybe we can just like put 0. Okay, what happened? Oh, because now it display flex, so now it looks really weird. Maybe justify no, but it's column. Okay, right, but now I might want margin auto 0 auto. So it's going to be center, you know, by default, maybe. Okay, that didn't take the trick. Why? Container. It's container flex. It's not flex at all. Oh, right. I know why. Because when you are inline, then you need test align. Center, right? Yes, great. That should be okay. Yes, that should be okay. But there is something else. When we are on desktop, now the footer is going to be, you know, it's going to be like align items, going to be flex star, by the way. Yes, in desktop it's like that. And now I just need to push this a little bit, but I think I'm going to use, you know what, I'm going to change my mind. I'm just going to use flex grid, you know, it's much better and easier. So by default this is going to be flex, display flex, you know, and this is going to be like flex, like justify content center, you know, and this can be flex, that's okay. So this is going to be center. In mobile, that's working perfect, but in desktop, this is going to change. This is going to be display, display grid, and grid columns, grid columns template is going to be repeat to one affair, right? Let me see if that's working. I just want to see the grid. Oh, this is wrong. Grid column, template columns. Okay, what I put wrong? Oh, template columns. It's first the word template and then columns. Okay, this is going to be template columns, right? And then the footer, I'm going to see that the grid column is going to start from 1, 2 to 3, right? Yes, now we have it. Yes, we have it there. It's like 2 columns. Now we have it like that. Okay. But another thing that I noticed is like in desktop, this image is much bigger. And I wonder if that's had something to be. Okay, there is no background size here. So let's change that. So background size. I don't really know, 400? Maybe that's too much, but I just want to see. 400, 600. Okay, 600 it's okay, but then I need to, I don't really understand this. 200, why? Calc, this is maybe like the top position somehow. I don't really understand how I did this, to be honest. Like yes, now, oh, and of course like not showing how it looks. So, well, still, I think it's bigger, right? It's much bigger. Like 1,000 maybe is too much. Yeah, too much. 800 maybe. No, too much. Oh my God, it's huge. Maybe that one is more accurate. It's like this thing here is kind of aligned with this. Okay, so I guess it's fine if I put it like 650. Yeah, because this is kind of aligned with the thing here. Oh, but wait, when I put it 600 and then I put it like 200 maybe here, 200, it's going to be aligned exactly as we want. Ah, too much. I don't know where I get this number. Okay, but that's what it is. So we have it. We have it good and nice. Oh, amazing. This is going to be a problem. And oh man. Yes, that's going to be a problem. And I'm going to need maybe change this for a background for an image, because we need to do a similar thing as we did with the, with my photo here. Like we need to resize, but that's going to be for another stream, because I'm pretty like fine with this minor issue with the responsive here. I mean, it's not ideal, or do we want to solve it right now? El dilema, man. ¿Qué dilema? ¿Debería arreglarlo ya o no? ¿Debería arreglarlo ya o no? ¿Debería arreglarlo ya o no? I don't really know. Question. ¿Qué dicen? ¿Debería arreglarlo ya? ¿Estarían dispuestos? ¿O dispuestas? Claro, el problema es que, el problema es que ahorita se está comportando como un background. Y el tema es que como un background obviamente no se ve afectado. No se ve afectado por el otro objeto. Entonces lo que tenemos que hacer es moverlo como un item, ¿cierto? Moverlo como un ítem independiente. Y ahí sí se va a ver afectado. Yo creo que lo podemos hacer, ¿cierto? Yo creo que somos capaces de hacerlo. Yo creo que sí. Es pura pereza mía mental, pero vamos a hacerlo. A ver, ¿todavía tenemos tiempo? Sí, tenemos tiempo. We have time. Yeah, we have time. 10:30. Okay, let's fix it. So, I don't need a children here. Okay, so here I need to put an image. Do I have an image? I don't have an image. No tengo un componente imagen. Okay. 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 Okay, let's copy and paste it. Okay, let's copy and paste it and let's just put like footer logo or something like that. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Or logo. Yeah, I mean, it can be logo here. But this is not going to be logo. This is going to be, what is the name? This is going to be vectors footer. Okay, vectors footer. Okay, so the position. What am I doing? What am I doing? Give me a second. So the background position, the background, that done. We don't need it. This test align, done. We don't need it. This background size, background position, we don't need it. Okay, no anymore. And here we just put like vectors, footer, right? And let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks terrible. Why it looks terrible? Oh, because maybe I removed something that I didn't wanted to remove. I went so serious about remove everything. Hey, what is it? What is it? Oh, his background. It's just this one. Yeah. That's what I need to just. I'm a lazy guy. Okay, great. So that's not that bad, you know. It's not that bad. The only thing that we need is that. It's even better. You know, it's even better because now here I just need to do flex direction column. You know. Oh, but column reverse. Yes, column reverse. Great. And then what do I have that? Well, there is that much padding, by the way. Why I have too much space? I don't really understand. Container? Oh, maybe because the image is what? So fucking big. Why this is so big? Maybe it's the image? What? Why you are so big? Flex, align items. I mean, you shouldn't be that big, right? Oh, I know why. Because the margin button, probably. Right? Yes, exactly. Great. Now I can have a gap. Small gap. What is the gap? Oh, this is like okay, the gap is like 20. Okay, perfect. So gap is going to be 20 px. Great. Amazing. But then this other item is going to be very special about that. This other item, this is going to be the logo, right? The logo. So the logo is going to be, let me try margin button. Like that, maybe? Oh, no. Interesting. I'm just playing with something. Give me a second. No. Oh. Sorry. Close others. What was it? Maybe this? Yeah, I want kind of that. Maybe like this. No, maybe 25. Well, something like that. Okay. Maybe the high. I want that high. Fix. You know, high. Like that. Oh, shit. Let me see. Maybe if I put like, how you call it? Object fit. Fit object. I need this that is like a cover. Feed object feed CSS. Overflow hidden. Yes, but it's not. At first I need to make it sure it's an object feed. You know, because right now, yeah, fill maybe cover. Let me see. Object feed. No cover. You just want to check. Yes, yes. I mean, kind of. No, but that's not going to solve it. Okay. Okay, I need a container for the logo, right? Logo container. Right? You can move the object feed? Really? How? Can I move the object feed CSS? Object position. Yes, you are right. You are right. You are right. Oh, that's amazing. But can you change the size? Can you change the size? Okay, that's a good alternative. That's a good alternative. I wanted to just like, you know, create like a container, do an overflow, and use, you know, the hidden thing. But maybe the object feed is an option. Maybe the object feed is an option. So we do like object feed, like cover, and then like object position, like button, center, on certain border maybe is better. Oh, maybe like top center. I don't know. Huh, interesting. But contain. Nay, but it is. Let me see. Wait, but do I have that like that? No, it's a little bit bigger, right? It's a little bit bigger, so maybe. But of course I can change the width, right? Like 100% maybe. Maybe that will do the trick. No. We can play with that, right? We can play with that. So container, so footer, this one. So width 100%. Yeah, like that. And then can I change this? Put on top? No, doesn't really matter. Only matters when you change some stuff like this, like center button. Yes, like cover. What else can I say? He cover fill. None? Oh, I like none. Reverse scale down. Okay, none. Okay, it's promising. Top? Aha! Maybe calc. Yes. No? Maybe this is too much. Calc 100% minus 200 px. Why is not working? Why is kind of... Oh. That's what I need to assume. Okay, so that was kind of a similar thing that we had before. Okay, I like this. Okay, that's interesting. So you can set none to just keep like the object position. Okay, nice. But then the gap is not needed. I mean, it's not needed at all. And then the height, maybe I can put it like, you know, 200 maybe. Yes. So that's great. Great. And then for, you know, for this here, for desktop, but I can set logo is like object, you know, position. It's going to be bottom left. I don't really remember that. Well, but the height is going to be much bigger, right? Like 400 probably. Okay, but not bottom left. Oh yes, bottom left. Yeah, bottom left. That's okay. The height is going to be 700. It doesn't really matter, right? Maybe auto. But the width is going to be like this, right? No. Okay, let's just play with this here. So the good news is we already have it. We already have the same result, kind of the same result, and it's responsive, probably. I still don't know. Something is happening. I mean, this is always button for some reason. Okay, so auto. Maybe if I put it like 100%. No, too much. Let's just keep auto. Left button. Why is not like working? What it says? No property name. Oh, I have a typo. Damn it. Always a typo. Bottom left. Okay, that's okay. Now I need size. I need like big size. Why this is not working? Like, you know, 100% maybe. Why this is not working? Oh, maybe I know why. No, but that's okay. I mean, by default he's positioning. I mean, if I say grid column 1, 2, that's okay. Yes, that's by default. It's putting it there, so we don't need it. Maybe it's time to say object fit cover. Okay, cover. Okay, let me see. Okay, that's nice. That's nice because that's working. And then the grid, and now the gap can be 30. You know, maybe more. Yeah, like 50. I don't know. What is the gap here? Oh, the gap is like huge. It's like between this and this. Come on. Okay, I need to rectangle. So it's like, okay. So wait. So here, I just need to say that object fit hover. Gutiwa, I'm leaving. Hope you all good day. Tomorrow I will back for the stream. Or sure. Thank you to be here. We are almost ready with this part. But yeah, tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we are going to deploy this. We are going to deploy this, upgrade the version and deploy this, so you don't want to miss it. But thank you so much to be here. We are almost done. We just need to fix this little thing. So what is the grid? What is the grid? Display grid. Yes. So the gap is going to be huge. Great. Okay, we are almost done, and I guess I need to do a similar trick here regarding that part. So here I'm just going to say calc, and then calc, and then 100% plus something, maybe. Okay, it's not working. Why? It says left, maybe. Why is not working? Oh, I need the space. Damn it. Button. Wait, why is it working better? Yes, because it's definitely left. 100, 200. No, 150. Yeah, 60, 80, 60. How is the? Yeah, 50 is fine. No, 60 maybe. 60 is much better. object position. What was the last one? Center. Oh, okay, yeah, definitely center. I'm very okay. That's what we wanted. Look, oh look, and it's quite responsive. Of course, it's going to cut eventually, but doesn't really matter. Oh, I saw something. Oh, look that. Shit. I don't know. Can I do like per minus 1px? No, that doesn't make sense, right? 100% minus 100%. Oh! Wait, but... Why? Oh, it's the padding. Wait. My bad. It's the padding. It's the padding. No? What is it then? There is something. Yeah, it's the padding. Come on. Yeah, of course, it's the padding. I just put it wrong. Great. Let me see. Oh, amazing responsive. I'm just like in the way of this. Oh, no. I said nothing. No. Oh, come on. This is like really bad now. Oh, awful. Shit. We can fix that. Okay, let's keep it like this. Wait. Is this working okay? Yeah, this is working okay. And then when I go here, yes, let's go here. So this is okay. Yeah, here. It's when the problems begin. So what if I just say like 100%? Like, it matters? It doesn't. Oh yeah, it matters. So maybe it's like a little bit less, maybe. Oh, but what is something is happening? Yeah, maybe it's button. What is this like? Why? Oh, I know why. Wait, give me a second. So no, I don't know why. Oh, it's the high. Maybe it's the high. If I put 100%. Yes, 100%. Let's do that. 100%. See. Okay, maybe like that. Wait, but now I have few problems. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, wait, maybe it's contain. Right? Yes, that's what I want. Okay, contain is great. Yes, but then I need 50 maybe. No, too much. 10, 20. I don't know to count pixels. Yes, 20. Okay, so if we go here like that. Shit. When it's bigger, it's like a mess. I mean, this is kind of. Oh, oops. Oh shit. Is this doing this whole thing the whole time? Oh no, just when it's that big. Damn. Okay, what about just like left button? Oh wait, I'm missing this thing. So this is just like huge. Oh, because the high. No, of course, 400 maybe. Or you know what I can do? What I can do is like 100% and max high. You know, it's going to be like 400 or something like that. I guess that will do the trick, kind of. Okay, let me see. I mean, yes, kind of. But then it's like, you know, you have this and Oh, life is so complicated. Let me see. Uh, what about wheat? Do I want all the whole wheat? Let's fix first. Probably, I mean, to be honest, probably I don't really want this like to the left, right? I don't really want that to the left because it's going to look weird eventually. So I have a error here, and I should like just put this whole thing in a container, you know, container. This whole thing should be in a container. For container from layout. Oh shit, what is that? Hero. I did something here. Okay, thank you. Hero, we have a container. Oh, we have. Is the page container? Oh yes. Oh yeah. It's just page container. Great. So we just have this page container. Page container. Great. So now we have problems. Of course. Why we have problems? Because this is quite different. Because now we have the container, we have the page container, and then we need another thing here. We need another container. Damn, I hate my life. How we did it with the hero? Yeah, we have the fucking container. Okay, so let's change this. Let's change this to footer, because that deserves it, right? And let's change this to class container. That's life of coding in the web, doing a lot of divs. Yes, and then this is footer, because this in reality is a footer. And for that, I kind of want to move this like this. Going to be probably this. It means I don't need this. I don't need this. This is correct. But the footer, wait, what? The footer, oh, of course, footer. What are you talking about? Okay, great. Okay, so this is great because now we have something, yeah, mobile continues working, great. And now we have something that it makes sense. Like now I have a fixed, like, you know, layout in the middle, you know, that's great. So we have a very controlled situation here. So let's inspect. That's the problem with designs, right? Like designs never show how this is going to look in a, you know, in a larger screen. You know, I mean, how my website is going to look, you know, like in a super large screen. It's like they never consider that. And you know, as a front-end, full stack, whatever, you have to take that into account. Like usually designers don't consider, you know, how it's going to look in a larger screen. So yeah, we're almost done with this thing. So for that, I will say that now I can say it's like that, right? Left. I feel I'm not convinced with this, like left. What if I put right? It doesn't really matter, right? For him, it's like it's okay. Still, what if I just say like this? Yeah, of course it's not going to be. This is like left, right, and then this is like bottom, left, bottom, left, center. It doesn't really matter, right? Center, or top. It's like okay. Okay, but we saw that. We saw that is like basically, yeah, like this. So this is good, and then oh, it changed. Oh, but it changed because a lot of reasons, right? Because the mask high. Maybe should we remove this whole thing? Maybe. Interesting. Why is the height changing? What if I put auto? Something, wait, something is kind of pressing it. Maybe I should be like less strict with the gap. I feel that gap is like creating a lot of problems. So the gap, what is the gap? Here, maybe 80, you know? Okay. No, maybe 100. Or looks what the design says. It's kind of this go to the left. Okay, let's go to the whole left. So let's inspect here. And this is like left, okay? But yeah, this should be to the left. I mean, and the grid. Wait. Oh, okay, I see what is happening. Right. No, this is like the 100%, right? Because the container, right? The container is doing this thing. Wait, can I remove the margin? No, I can't. The padding, the margin. Okay, no, it's okay. I think it looks good. Okay, so that explains why it's kind of an illusion. So here, of course, yeah, it's kind of like this, maybe? Yeah, something like this. Okay, so let's move this here. You are not seeing me. Let me just remove myself for a moment. No, box sizing is already applied. So no, that's fine. I just want to make sure, like, yeah, we're okay. So, hey, auto, maybe 100%. Yeah. Of course, when I go here, this is a little bit smaller. Good. Okay, good. So that's okay. But then, if I say bottom, it's like it's bottom. It's kind of, yeah. Okay, so I just want to say like calc 50%. No, like, how is it? Plus. It's like put a plus and then it's like suddenly like, like working. What if I just put 0 or 10px? Like this is the top. Like, what if I do this? Like hard coded. I mean, it works much better. Of course, we are not going to have it perfect, right? Because the size change. But at least... but that's maybe what I wanted a little bit like with percentages, right? Maybe that's kind of the reason. Maybe like this. No, wait. Doesn't really matter, right? It doesn't really care about this. It's like he ignores percentage. Okay. Why? I still don't understand how this works. Okay, but if I call 100% 20px, is this changing anything at all? I mean, right? Like here, It doesn't really matter, right? It doesn't really matter because 100% is doing anything. So I can put like this 120, you know? Yeah, and it's basically the same. Same behavior. So I wonder if there is a better way to do this. None. 100%. Oh, so is the contain. Okay. So if I put like 200, maybe it's kind of the half. Oh no, but then it's like getting smaller for some reason. No, it's the same. I'm just testing this. Yeah, it's kind of worse. Oh man, this is so complicated. Okay, what about... Okay. Oh, I can't... Here is like having everything like before, right? 100% object fit none. What if I just margin button? Oh, it doesn't really care. It's like, okay, whatever. Interesting. And what if I put button, and then position relative? Okay, now we are talking, right? Yes. Okay, but yeah, of course, that's kind of the problem. But how it behaves? Okay, it keeps the size. It keeps the size. Okay, so that's kind of what I want, right? And if I put like 100%, makes any difference? No. What if I said like width? It makes any difference? Let me see. It grows. Yeah, it grows. Oh man, this is so complicated. Just trying to check what options do I have. What I see is like I can just question, what if I don't have anything at all? Like how this behaves? Like let's say, you know, 100% maybe. So I want to fill the whole thing, or maybe width. Yeah, how this looks. Yeah, it behaves nice, right? It behaves nice. Of course, here is like, okay, I need to be small. Okay, so then if I say like, you know what, just going to be like object fit none, right? And then object position, and then I change the stuff. No, 200. I guess, you know what? I guess this is going to be my alternative. Like, let's just keep it as it is, you know, like that, like this. You know, like this. Let's keep it like this. Something. What was the problem with this? Maybe this. Yes. Yeah. Let's just keep it like this. Let's just keep the 100%. The call, you know, this is like bullshit, so let's just remove it. And the same here. This is like bullshit, right? So yeah, I mean, at least this is decent. This is decent, you know. This is decent, and then I can think about, okay, how can we make it better? And then for mobile we need to change this because yeah, 20. For mobile it looks like it really okay, but I guess this is much better, like the top. Yeah, and in reality it's like probably in desktop is going to be like that, so that's what we want, right? Well, in reality we want a little bit to the top. Can I just high 100%, maybe like max width something, max high. This is going to change. Why this whole thing is like this? What if I do this? Is that possible? Nay. Oh, because the contain. Oh, damn. But then if I change this, it's going to be like, yeah, unset, none. Yeah. That just, let's keep it as it is. I mean, this is fine. This is kind of the intention that we want. So I guess this is fine. This is a decent result. Something's happening, but I guess it's the, yes, yeah, it's maybe the scroll. Sometimes I have this scroll problem. Yeah, this is decent, and I think, yeah, this is decent. This should be like this top, but I mean, probably is also the fact that this is like has like a huge space here. Why? Oh, wait. Why it has this space here? That has like a weird space. Oh. What? Oh, because the grid. Okay, of course. But is this creating like... No, wait. Just one row. Columns and row. Grid, template, rows, like 1FR. Maybe that will solve it. Maybe. Oh, look that. Okay, nice. Where is happening? And then flex. No, but this shouldn't be like with that problem. What is happening? Like one. Why this is behaving so weird? Oh, wait. Grid column. Okay, what about grid row? Like 1 maybe. But it's like, no, but I don't see anything. This is weird. It's a grid. It's a grid. Changing this. No, it's not even the grid. Something is happening here. Oh, yes. So here. Oh, come on. Come on. The icon list. Oh, come on. Maybe 20. Maybe. No, maybe no. Maybe just the icon list is going to have... Okay, let's change it. Icon list. Icon list. Yes. Margin top. No. Margin. It's going to be 30px. 0. Okay. Still I have stuff here. Why? Still is that much? Yeah, looks like it's too much. Oh, because it has like the padding. Okay, so maybe I want like just margin button. Okay, Okay, this look is looking good. It's looking good. And then the icon list. The icon list is going to have a better gap because I see here we have a better gap. And then I want like something like that. Okay, yes. Okay, this is looking good. So let's just commit this footer in desktop. And this is looking really good. Let's do a test, you know, how it looks in mobile. So, you know, how does it look in mobile? So, how is like public? No, like internal IP. Give me a second. Yes. So let me just take my font and open that URL. So 192.168.32.6. I need to put the port 3000. And oh, there's an error. There is an error. Okay, but it's looking good. I mean, in mobile, there is an error. Ignore that error. But I mean, let me see. Yeah. Car experience. Nice. No. Knowledge background. Nice. The footer. Oh, there is a bug. I just find a bug in the footer. Damn it. We'll fix that tomorrow. I know what it is. Is, you know, is we need also be like container for the footer, like I mean, this needs to be contained also for the this. It needs to be it's going to be like that. It's going to be smaller though, but and then the width, maybe can we increase it? Oh, we can increase it. Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe yes. You see? What was this? Yeah. Guess it's a similar. Yeah, but now what was with the space here? Let me remember. What is the reason of the space here? Oh, it's just like the size. Shit. Because if we put like 100%, this is going to be weird, right? Yeah. It's going to be super weird. But we can put like mass high. Like the 200 that we want. Maybe that. But I guess it's kind of the same, right? I mean, if I just put like 300 px and then I move it here. Okay, let's just let refresh. Yeah. What can we do for avoid that space? Probably not too much. I guess it doesn't matter. Let me see how it looks in mobile with that update. And okay, I just noticed also like the icon is like wrapping, so we need to fix that. But at least now it's not cutting that bad. So yeah, I mean, this is hard. This footer is special, but it's really hard. So like, let's commit this 1 minute fix, you know, 1 minute fix. Well, 1 minute fix, that's not a proper commit name. I'm tired, sorry, I'm super tired. Nah, not that tired, but yes, annoying, but that footer, crazy footer with its craziness. What is, yeah. Yep. Can I reproduce the issue with the icon here? Let me, if I go mobile and I change with the iPhone, yeah, I can reproduce that. So let me see, what is the reason? Oh, because also this has a padding. This shouldn't have a padding. Yeah, this shouldn't. Like zero mistakes. Maybe that will fix it. Maybe not. Oh, what happened? Oh, the server is down. Come on, server is down. Ya casi. Ese pequeño detalle, porque creo que eso estaba bueno. Yeah. Look that. Look that. Yeah, but okay. Interesting. One last minute errand commit. Where's the logo? Okay, something is happening here. Why do I have this space? Oh, because it's 0, 0. Come on, Guillermo. Come on. Okay, now we are talking. Okay, now we are talking. Okay, now. One last minute bug fix. That's a proper message. Okay, push. Finally. Oh my god. But that was pretty nice. I mean, tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm just going to... We're going to release this. So, mañana, miércoles, misma hora, mismo canal, vamos a hacer release de esta página porque ya... Bueno, tengo yo la tarea antes de streaming de los contenidos. Eso va a ser medio tricky, aunque yo creo que yo los tengo. O sea, yo realmente tengo, porque yo obviamente tengo mi hoja de vida en PDF y todo eso. Y ya con eso... estaríamos listos para hacer el release. Bueno, tenemos que hacer eso. Como tengo que tener listos los contenidos antes de llegar acá al streaming. Y si no, pues si no alcanzo, me verán haciendo contenidos en streaming. Igual es copiar y pegar, todo bien. Y luego haríamos el upgrade de Next a Next 12. Revisaríamos que todo esté funcionando. No creo que sea un problema. No estamos usando ningún feature loco de Next. Pero es bueno tener la última versión de Next. Y luego hacemos el release. Posiblemente vamos a montar eso. Eso va a ser una página estática. Entonces podríamos montarlo. Yo creo que lo vamos a montar en Next, porque pues es como el servicio gratis de confianza. Podría montarlo en Netlify, pero a ver, da igual. Tendría que crearme una cuenta en Netlify. Y es como... Ahorita no tengo una ventaja de Next con Netlify. Y bueno, Next finalmente es de Vercel. Entonces ellos saben lo que hacen. Y Vercel pues sería sí, sería como el tema. Vamos a... hacer una pequeña raid. Let's do a raid. I have this let me see, this girl. I have done a raid before. Ambivalent Bunny. She's learning something. She's learning web dev, so I guess it's a great opportunity to, you know, just support her. So let's do that raid. She's very nice. Very nice, so you can, you know, support her. What is doing currently? I just get like you know, some ad. So let me see. Oh, she's doing a hangman. Okay, but yeah, she's super nice. I'm going to, you know, rest, so, you know, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much to be here. Tomorrow we will deploy this. It's going to be amazing. We are going to find maybe bugs. And then eventually I need to do the print version. And that's going to be very interesting. So of course I will do that on streaming. And the good news is if we release that tomorrow, we could continue with the other projects. Like, yes, like tomorrow is basically the last day. I mean, it's kind of the last day of this project, of course. But in the future, we will do more stuff. So thank you so much. Have a nice rest of the day. See you tomorrow. Hey, feel I'm in the mood for
a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the